Before life gets even busier, before work becomes another excuse, I took my mom on a trip. Minsan nakakatawang isipin, when we were kids, we held their hands because we were scared to get lost. Ngayon, we hold their hands because time is slowly taking them away from us. Madami kaming ginawa dito. Island hopping, food trips, snorkeling, lahat ng gusto kong gawin kasama si mama. Actually, yung iba nga, ayaw niya. But for me, this is memory insurance. Because someday, when life gets loud, pag mabagal na siya maglakad, pag marami na siyang iniindang sakit sa katawan, I want to remember this trip. I want to remember na kasama ko si mama. I want to remember this version of her na malakas pa at enjoying life. No matter how old we get, there's still a part of us that believes our mom will stay strong forever. Alam naman nating tatanda ang mga magulang natin. Alam naman nating one day mahihina na sila. But the time doesn't ask permission. It quietly changes people, slowly, almost unnoticeably. Until one random day, you realize the woman who used to carry everything can't carry things the same anymore. And honestly, hindi pa ako ready sa panahon na yan. Hindi pa ako ready sa araw na itong mga simpleng trips or travels becomes too tiring. So habang kaya pa, habang malakas pa siya, habang kaya pa naming gumala nang walang iniisip, habang kaya pa naming tumawa sa maliit na bagay, I'll keep making memories. Not because life is perfect, not because everything is figured out, but because one day, these moments will become priceless. And when that slower day finally comes, I want her to remember that before her steps became weaker, we lived.